Honestly, when I first held the OnePlus 15, this part of the frame felt cold. OnePlus 15 Original Color Sand Dune. This is a very interesting generation of phones from OnePlus. Today I'll tell you all the secrets of OnePlus 15 Original Color Sand Dune. First, the appearance of OnePlus 15. I think it's very attractive at first glance. It's not an exaggerated high saturation color, but a restrained, gentle sand tone. Low-key but very textured. The design also subtly pays tribute to the sci-fi blockbuster sand dune. Lines and proportions are simple and restrained. The angles of the frame, screen, and deco are all consistent, looking very harmonious and comfortable. Second, both sides of its middle frame have a micro-arc design for smooth transitions and a comfortable feel. Honestly, when I first held the OnePlus 15, this part of the frame felt cold. No wonder it feels special. It turns out this is characteristic of aerospace-grade nanomagnetic metal. This material is usually used in aerospace. This is its first use in mobile phone manufacturing. Besides the ice skin feel, it has many advantages. It has super high rhythm, is 1.5 times harder than titanium alloy, wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and has good heat dissipation. The color won't fade over time. And the best thing is this material is 100% recyclable, environmentally friendly and practical. It's truly an all-round hexagonal. Finally, the process design. This time, I was lucky enough to visit the factory and see firsthand how the aerospace-grade nanomagnetic metal used in the OnePlus 15 is made. You can see this whole row. Initially, they're all aluminum alloy middle frames. Put them in an oxidation tank and let them sit, and they'll slowly turn red. This is the brittle fire forging process. Simply put, a layer of ceramic grows on the aluminum alloy surface, just like the nanomagnetic metal used in the lens deco. This restrained sandy color actually has a little secret. The company uses its own ion coloring process, meaning the color won't fade or discolor over time. Finally, there's a powerful process called nano-level air holes. In layman's terms, it makes the metal surface of the middle frame and lens deco part tighter, making it more corrosion-resistant and less prone to staining. I'll give you a tip in advance. This material is only available in the original sand dune color of the OnePlus 15. Although we've only solved the above issues now, I have a strong feeling many people will like this generation of the OnePlus 15. You can look forward to the official release of the OnePlus 15.